Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the LIGHT N EASY 7338 ANW Steam Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. The square head gets into all the hard-to-reach corners. Intelligent automatic steam control. A 20 feet long power cord makes maneuvering easier. Steam is released at the touch of a button. It takes about 20 seconds to use it for the first time. Triple-layered microfiber pad for exceptional absorption. When the grout on your tile floor becomes too dirty and dark with stains all over, there is no other option other than using the best steam mop for ceramic tile and grout. And LIGHT N EASY Steam Cleaner offers you the best feature for this purpose. The 7338 ANW model features an excellent grip and flexible handle that makes it very easy to operate even for a long time. Its 360-degree swivel head is a great thing for cleaning the big areas and every corner effortlessly. Despite having a long handle, the model is also very light, with only 4.1 pounds. This is probably the lightest steam cleaning mop in the market. The lightweight helps you clean every part of your house and move back and forth with more ease and comfort. The unit's bottom tank is able to achieve a higher steam temperature than most other steam cleaners. Its 212 degrees Fahrenheit heat is able to effectively eliminate sticky messes with almost zero effort. Besides, the LIGHT N EASY Steam Cleaner takes only 20 seconds to reach its highest temperature for making steam. You can also use tap water instead of distilled in its water tank. And speaking of the water tank, it can hold 260 milliliters of water and can also be refilled even while you are using the steam mop, which is a great time saver indeed. The steam cleaner has a special mop with microfiber cleaning pads designed to be super absorbent. It has a greater capacity to absorb water and grime from your floor than any other cloth. And what's more, this steam mop even has a sensor that delivers steam only when the machine is moved and stops the steam when cleaning has ended. This feature helps the floor from getting damaged or the wooden floor from getting swelled up. Pros. Unique swivel head for extra maneuverability. Extremely lightweight with only 4.1 pounds. Suitable for hard floors and carpets both. Microfiber sensor on the steam mop. Cons. Cannot be used as a handheld steamer. Makes little noise while running.